Programmatically saving image to Django ImageField. Okay, I've tried about near everything and I cannot get this to work. I have a Django model with an image field on it. I have code that downloads an image via HTTP, tested and works. The image is saved directly into the upload_to folder, the upload_to being the one that is set on the image field. All I need to do is associate the already existing image file path with the image field. I've written this code about 6 different ways. The problem I'm running into is all of the code that I'm writing results in the following behavior. 1. Django will make a second file. 2. Rename the new file, adding an underscore to the end of the file name. Then, 3. Not transfer any of the data over, leaving it basically an empty renamed file. What's left in the upload_to path is 2 files, one that is the actual image, and one that is the name of the image, but is empty, and of course the image field path is set to the empty file that Django tried to create. In case that was unclear, I'll try to illustrate. How can I do this without having Django try to restore the file? What I'd really like is something to this effect. But of course that doesn't work. And yes, I've gone through the other questions here like this one as well as the Django doc on file. Update. After further testing, it only does this behavior when running under Apache on Windows Server. While running under the run server on XP, it does not execute this behavior. I am stumped. Here is the code which runs successfully on XP. I have some code that fetches an image off the web and stores it in a model. The important bits are: that's a bit confusing because it's pulled out of my model and a bit out of context, but the important parts are: the image pulled from the web is not stored in the upload_to folder, it is instead stored as a temp file by alib.alretrieve and later discarded. The ImageField.save method takes a file name, the os.path.basename bit, and a django.co.files.file object. Let me know if you have questions or need clarification. Edit. For the sake of clarity, here is the model, minus any required import statements.
Just a little remark. Tfon answer works, but if you're working on Windows, you probably want to open the file with RB. Like this. Or you'll get your file truncated at the first 0x1 a byte. Here is a method that works well and allows you to convert the file to a certain format as well, to avoid cannot write mode P as JPEG error. Where image is the Django ImageField or your _model_instance.image. Here is a usage example. Hope this helps. Super easy if model hasn't been created yet. First, copy your image file to the upload path, assumed equals path or in following snippet. Second, use something like tested and working in Django 1.4. It might work also for an existing model.
Период запущено. Пускай логин со скайпом.